The Glide Ratio LD interactive calculator determines aircraft glide performance parameters for engineering analysis. Let's explore the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu, which offers Calculate Glide Ratio LD, Calculate Glide Distance, Calculate Altitude Loss, Calculate Best Glide Speed, Calculate Sink Rate, and Calculate Glide Angle. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Glide Ratio. Enter your horizontal distance in feet, altitude loss in feet, glide ratio LD, initial altitude in feet, and target distance in feet. Enter your lift coefficient CL, drag coefficient CD, wing loading in pounds per square foot, air density in slugs per cubic foot with a default of 0.002377, and ground speed in feet per second. Here's a worked example. I'll input 10 for horizontal distance, 10 for altitude loss, 10 for glide ratio, 10 for initial altitude, and 10 for target distance. I'll input 10 for both lift and drag coefficients, 10 for wing loading, keeping air density at 0.002377, and 10 for ground speed. After clicking Calculate, the results show a glide ratio LD of 1.0.1, which the calculator describes as low efficiency glide ratio, typical of powered aircraft in glide configuration. This tool streamlines glide performance calculations for aircraft design and analysis. Find the link in the description below.